प्रोग्राम की कार्रवाई के अगते हलाइण जे लाइ गुज़ारिश कंदुसि मोहतरम फराज हुसैन डायरी के त पाण अचनि ऐं प्रोग्राम की कार्रवाई के अगते हलाइनि।
As Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai said, to rest there is no time, to rest there is no time, now time to sleep. You search in the winter and heart unceasing keep. Hurry the footprints of beloved you may not find, you may be overtaken by darkness, dense and deep. ततीअ थदीअ काह कान्हे वेल वेहण जी, ततीअ थदीअ काह कान्हे वेल वेहण जी, मतां थिए हूंदा पेर न लही पिरीअ जो. Now the time of his speech, so I would like to call, please welcome Mr. Naushad. Have a big clapping.
In the name of Allah, in the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful, who is the master, sustainer, creator and operator of whole entire universe. The honorable principal, respectable my teachers and my dear all friends and fellows, Assalamu alaikum. As today we have a chance to express my idea about the Latif and sin. So I start my speech with this poetry. Sindh Samuri son, Sindh Samuri son, Sindh Saji Surhan, Sindh Samuri son, Sindh Samuri son, Sindh Saji Surhan, Sindh Samuri Sach, Sindh Samuri Sach, Sindh Saji Sawan, Sindh Bitai Gotaji, Sindh Bitai Gotaji, Sindh Bitai San, Moja Baryo Mehran, Sadawai in a Sindh Ma. Respected sir, the son of Said Habib Shah, the great hero of sin, the great personality, philosopher and scholar of sin, who sacrificed his life upon his language of native country, custom and culture, who gives the warnings to the people of sin, whose poetry is consists upon custom, culture, history, geography, politics, society, agriculture, education and philosophy, who is the chief character of sin. Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif, also called Bitmaster, was born in 1689. Sir, as Holy Quran, it consists upon guidance, love, justice, unity, liberty, and it is a complete code of life, which is the mirror of wisdom, in which everything is looking clearly. As it is a book of Bitai, which also called Shah Risalo. It is also the mirror of wisdom, means it is also great way of passing life. So the Holy Book of Latif is a garden of colors and flowers. We need the eyes of conscience to learn and understand this. As my beloved Latif has said, Sir, my beloved Latif is a great model of courage. As he said, Musi Alesa, Jaji Mito na kare. Means, don't afraid from the death in the way of a struggle. And it is very double journey, which you have to travel alone and try to understand the secretions of devotion. And sir, Shah Risalo is called second Holy Quran. The poetry of Latif is not only poetry, but these are verses. As my beloved has said, Jeto Beta Baya se ayatu ahin. Jeto Beta Baya se ayatu ahin. Newman line, Priya Sandi Parade. No doubt these are holy verses. In his poetry, it's a message of love, peace and brotherhood. Sir, my beloved Latif is always live with love, truthfulness, peace, belief, right, justice, honesty, humanity, equality, liberty, and always away from the fraud, greed, lie, laziness, madness, selfish, pride, and corruption. I would finish my speech with this poetry. तन तस्बीह मन मणियो दिल तंबूरो जन, तन तस्बीह मन मणियो दिल तंबूरो जन, तंदू ते तलबजू वद तसुर वजन वदहु ला शरीक लहू यो राग लगन से सुताई सुमन दिन रे पादर जिंजी.